Here's an easy way to spice up a cod fillet. There is said cod fillet. Then we're going to add a few spices, one being lemon pepper, the secret ingredient in KFC, some paprika, onion powder, thyme, garlic powder, bit of salt, olive oil and some breadcrumbs. First thing we're going to do is get the scraggy end of your bread, the crust that no one uses, break that up. I'm going to put it into a mini blender and get some breadcrumbs. My little apprentice is going to start it. 2 seconds, you got perfect breadcrumbs. Your breadcrumbs done, put them into a bowl. Then into the same bowl, go in with a teaspoon of your thyme, teaspoon of your secret ingredient lemon pepper.
Why?
Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and then a heaped teaspoon of paprika and give them a quick mix. Then to help it stick to the fish, we're going in with some olive oil and get that all mixed in so that it forms something like that. You don't want it soaking wet with olive oil, but you do want it a bit damp. Then you get your fillet bake and we're going to squash this all over it. We're going to pour it onto a little grill like that. Then that's into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes depending on how hot your oven gets. When it's at 15 minutes in the oven, so that it's gone nice and crusty on top, time to take it off the grill, put it on a plate and get stuck in and have it as a light snack if you like, or put it with some new potatoes or something and have it as a main meal. Either way, get stuck in because it's delicious.